Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crity React, and without further ado, I quickly want to say something very important. You know, when I started this channel, I got monetized, and because of you guys, I was trying to please you guys, as in please you guys 100%. You know what I'm talking about? Because a lot of you guys actually say that I talk too much, that you don't want me to be showing my face, you don't want me to talk, you don't want me to just show my face, I should just show the comedy straight. I can't do that. I was demonetized because of you people's mouth. I've reapplied and I'm monetized. I think if you're not happy or you're not satisfied with the way I present my content, please, if you don't want any interruption, just kindly go to the Real Comedians page on YouTube, search for them and watch the comedy. I think by so doing, you will see nothing like commentary. You will not see me there. You will just watch the comedy from beginning to end without any interruption. But I think my fans out there actually going to love me the way I present my comedy. That is why they are my fans and my subscribers. They love me for who I am. They love me for the way I present my comedy. If you're not satisfied with it, kindly visit their page and watch it without no interruption. But I think I'm actually trying my best to make sure I give you the best and the best viewing experience, because this is the only way I can be monetized. I can remain in the YouTube partner program. So I'm actually telling you this for you to know, as for those of you, YouTube rules demand me to talk, demand me to react, demand me to show my face. That is why I gave my channel's name Crity React. React. There should be reaction on it. Watch this comedy that you're about to see on the screen. It's a very hilarious one, starting to the end. Funny Bros new comedies here, and there are other new comedies, new episode. Watch and let's go.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Smelly. What would you do if you were the one? I would just bear, because if I shout or try to fight him, the enemy will shoot us. So I have to bear. Yes, so this guy and okay, let's see how this
bros, I be prankster, and I won't prank this bros with the here. But I won't feature it for the video.
Well, camera.
See my camera for there now. Yes now. So see what will happen back. You go give me his laptop now, so I will go hide am for back. Then you go come find and then later I'll come down and say it's a prank.
If I were him, I would not try it at all. I would not try it.
This man!
Bros, you want my laptop work?
I don't see any laptop.
You don't see him? Bros, you know if me see laptop for you?
Ask some na carry.
It's a prank! I don't say your mind flat. Come here, I want prank, sir. I want call me bring the laptop. How far, guy?
Oh boy!
Bros, that one follow for the prank?
You don't follow, I don't move.
It don't happen. Hey! He has actually landed his everything is very quick from me. Let's see how this one will go now.
Bros, they did that front flat.
Yes, now me what's happen?
You know, yes, a strong man will enter this compound.
Strong man.
Let me pay the park so.
You know how me take it.
Now your room so.
Babe, don't mind me.
No level.
No level. Blaq he gave me put back. You don't go.
He actually has someone that he relaxes back on. This is the man.
Hi, B. Big Chris. I'm Shake Senior Man. I asked now you call this compound.
Yes, now me what's happen?
Let's us boy. How would they give me the camera and tell you my back boo? They hurry now.
Fuel no dey inside though.
Why not they? Me your ATM now, me you give me the pin.
This one.
Let's have it.
I will try it. Who are you?
Now your baby that?
Yes, in your man.
She deal with me now.
Wait, mommy, I'm not going.
Nasty. You must go to school. Oh.
Mommy, see, I'm not paying school fees. Textbook I don't have. You keep forgiving me every day now. Mommy, I'm not going to school.
You must go to school, oh, because even me, I've not eaten food. Oh yeah, come and go. What is the issue?
Hey, Papa.
Papa, now you welcome. You have not eaten, no.
I have not eaten.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem now. Just use this one. Arrange something for us. Let's go. Can
Father.
What about my textbook money?
Poverty sack me down. Face to face.
Your textbook in school, okay?
No.
You pay. You pay.
No, what a kind and good father. But the end is actually touching.
Papa, thank you. But Papa, is that money enough for you?
For me, all this money. There's money here.
15 naira.
That's not the issue. The most important thing now is I want you to go to school so that you make me proud. My first son, Jekwanam, don't join bad gang.
The ending will touch you so much. And I have a question for you. Oh. Despite the fact there's no money, the man actually pretended as if everything was okay.
Jesus!
Kerewa. Hey, what would you do? The father is at work, stressing out his life to make sure he feeds his family while the mother is doing kerewa, bo at home. Would you tell your father yes or no? Let me see you guys. Let me see your comment. Would you tell your father? Let me see. What would you do?
Let me stay here. But person day here. Okay, let me stay here. Where are you keeping the seat for? Take away. You're saying this Igbo man. Center way. I'm not simply this case. Let's Oga, what happened? Oga, you know see that madman? I'm not too many things, just knock me. You don't know that madman for this place? I don't know him. That madman they see road though. He didn't knock you. Better follow him. He won't send you message. In the professor, he dey waste time.
The Christians are the for.
It's actually happening like this sometimes.
What be this?
Okay, they asked you to go and meet man. This guy is going to dance with you.
Going to have accident. Don't enter it.
This boss?
Yes.
Hey. It's good I sent you. God bless you. Oh, let me find you something. Eh? Thank you very much.
By now, we supposed to fuck by now. How you gonna tease me?
And
this is shocking.
What me
this one a mad person.
Somebody calling mad person calling another person mad. Who's now going to be the mad person? Let's see this one from Anthon. Oh, this fish is moaning. He actually turned all the women to fish. Why am I go play lonely? You went to play lonely. Okay, he wanted to kill. He actually drank all the water in the sea and stole their own baby. This guy is not
Osasu!
Sir, are you deaf? I'll be calling you since. Sorry, I be the job. Take your salary. Thank you very much, okay? Thank you. It's okay. You worked for it.
Oh, thank you, Jesus, for who is his life. Hope you spend it wisely this time. Let's see how he's going to spend it. Actually, keep it right.
Osasu. Sir? What's going on? I dey cook. And so the first I don't talk say once you pay my salary, I go use and take cook jollof rice. Who the work must chop now. Me say I don't try now. Abi. So how much did you spend for all this? Everything when I spend, na 25,000 naira. Things all cost for market. But I gave you 20,000 naira. The woman is my customer, so I do have 5,000 naira. By month end, they give for next month.
Who's going to eat this food?
So you use your whole salary to cook rice? I'm craving, small guy.
Not crazy. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Let's.
My crush.
Osasu,
Ma,
how are you?
I'm fine.
I was expecting you.
You know, say I tell you, say once they pay my salary, I go cook your love rice, gonna give you, you know, say I shall be cook away.
Oh yeah, you did.
I won't like give my gas say I mean want to chop the food.
Thank you very much. This is so thoughtful of you.
Make I come inside.
No. I was just about to step out before you came in.
I
She doesn't even love me.
Maybe some other time, okay?
No hope, no kiss, no peck.
Just wait.
She will like the food. Osasu, please come.
Hello.
Let me bring it.
How you doing?
Funny enough, you are making jollof this morning. It's darling this one, no.
You got the point.
He got as a bit.
Philip, but more than I chop the fruit.
Hey, bring plate and spoon for me.
Hi guys, so One Expect is presenting a season of big wins, which is known as the Champions.
Oh yeah, bring plate. You are grooming now. You are murmuring while leaving the dining. Instead of you to tell the Oga that Oga, this food I cooked it for her. I love her because I never knew that she is dating you. Oh my God! And the Oga will just sympathize and maybe give him back the money or sack him. But I don't know what to do. Oh God, let's see this one.
Jesus.
Remember the previous time this guy came to buy this guy actually exposed him.
Oh, you have gonorrhea.
This is the part 2. Let's see. Say
Jesus!
you wanted to talk.
Jesus. Because the next thing when I go say now, bro, I go just scatter your eye. Then that eye you don't take and see again.
So famously. He actually cooperated, like if not. We shall meet next time. That was what was playing on the background.
The unstoppable force in possession yet again. In more than one way, John. It was his right foot. Know what I mean?
Hey!
The commencement of hostilities. Ambulance is on standby. Health insurance policies have been checked. The physios are going to be really busy.
Funny Bros actually going to the team. I want to buy fidgets of us.
Give me Predator energy drink.
Ghana, what are you supposed to drink now?
Okay, give me Predator energy drink.
Yeah, take.
Oh, you know, say they give energy for any kind of hustle at all. And I wish they think they score like 50 goals yearly now.
You mean
And I mean the coach.
Should be disappointed now for having.
How much your money?
Okay, you go show boys love now.
Keep the change.
Aye, shame me. Thank you, bye.
Ambulance is on standby. Health insurance policies have been checked. The physios are going to be really busy. Keep an eye on the touchline. It promises to be pirated. Here comes the secondary threat. Possibility.
They actually gave penalty to Funny Bros and they actually want to fight after all the penalty. Is this also angry? He's actually angry as if he's not angry. He hope he scored this one.
Hey! What be this?
Funny.
Ma?
Job no employed today. Now you scatter my goods.
Ma, I was dreaming. They lost 3 notes.
They play 3 notes. Now you scatter 7 cartons.
It was unfortunate.
Oh yeah. Fortunately they go house.
Oh, mommy.
They go out! Fortunately they go out! This is the end of it. Fortune. You know what I put for this shop? This of naira where they use to let the if I kill you again.
Funny Bros was actually come out with different style, different pattern, different way of laughing. Oh my God, I'll laugh when I watch this comedy at first, guy. You were dreaming playing ball and you just pick 3 cartons.
Oh, but this is what they play for you. I go put you bullet for head. Where that money? Money? Papa, no money. How I see money? See, this is my hand. I don't know when last money enter inside. I don't know whether that will help me save cut out this and cut nothing that there is and do. Before the count of 2, make that transfer. Or else I will put that for your body. Papa, I beg.
You're welcome.
No, you don't like it. You don't like it. I'll come back. I don't get anybody.
What happened now? Papa, now what for you? Where kidnap that guy from? Hello? Where for hello? Omocholo. Baba, why you no go Moko? No. I have to shoot this one through way first. Do not go.
Ash! Where's that? 2, 3, Baba, let's get Jesus.
The guy has actually run away. I think somebody should help him now. Oh my God, I don't want them to catch him. But end as a very big laughter. You laugh.
Bros, Omo, and thank you. I just escaped from kidnappers like this now. Hey, but bros, this one well of an red. Today na Halloween.
You don't finish.
Santa Tula! I know you will not disappoint me. See how he brought the final sacrifice.
Wait, so I run from kidnappers, enter ritualist hand. Che, bros, and I feel drop me, go back kidnappers. I beg, at least we go fit negotiate money, I beg.
It is too late to go back.
Hey, bros, I beg.
We will drop you at the altar of the great master.
Oh, can't come back in no.
Baby, look into my eyes. Continue. Daddy, apple of my eyes. I just see. You see the kind of love I get for your love, Apollo don't cash out because I'm blindly in love with you. Hold up. Your money on the line. Hello, Papa, let the play. What? My name is Kekere, aka Kekere. I'm Romeo. She's my Julie. If I give you one bullet now. Baby, you say you collect bullet for me now. I change even I can collect bomb for you. Love, I like they calm down. Close here. See, may I share your update? What's here? Click on the link on my bio.
Will this actually end well for Kekere? What is your prediction? What is your comment? Let's see how it's going to end, because Kekere actually took the bullet though, but let's see what happens.
The game is valid from today till 31st of December. You don't go fast. Why they touch you now? I will shoot you. They don't point your papa way. Asabu. It's okay. Asabu, no. Don't be our plan with this. Come give me original gun.
Come and help him, don't run away. He should have come back and helped him because they both planned this thing. But who gave him gun? Gave him fake gun.
Clap for Jesus!
Vera. No break my Mickey donut now.
What's up, guys? I'm finally going to date my crush. Madu, where she did? She's on her
body. Not talk.
Alright, come in.
How you doing? Wait. I always feel safe, so I came along with my friend.
Did she shock me? Are you serious? What's going on here?
Mine is bitch for us. The gang is what I
If you don't mind.
Mind? You got no triple date, right? Yes. Triple date, right? Right? Triple date.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Hey, God, no. Hey!
Why your friends taking my friends too?
Calm down. There no shortcuts.
Is this the restaurant?
Restaurant kill na there. White plastic.
Come on, baby, eat your food.
How can I?
These guys are bad. These guys are bad. Are smart. Brought your friends to come and chop out.
Go on that restaurant.
What's up, girls?
Hi, Debbie. We're having fun.
Look at my having black. Okay, have you guys eaten?
Yes, you're having pizza.
Wow.
And wings. Yo, is it delicious? Alright, babes. Make sure you guys do take the have fun.
No, we're cool.
Fools. Next time they actually come alone, don't come with anybody. You're going packing friends. Think everybody has money.
Hello, bros.
Now you know.
Bros, you promised me to take me to a food streak today. Now I'm hungry. I'm coming to your place.
Ooh, food streak, eh? At the house.
Okay, you are in the house.
Okay, I'm coming. Hello. What be this?
Nah, Austin. Hello. Nah, no day house. I forget to
I know day house.
I go like last week.
Week.
Hello, you say?
Madam. Austin.
You are surprised, eh?
What are you doing here?
Told me you are not home. You say you did South Africa, so you don't see Nyash.
Come on for there. Oh yeah, come on. But I saw Nyash.
Nyashless man, I'll go kill you.
And the best dressed male goes to Bob Degeneral.
Oh my god.
Bob Degeneral.
Oh my
How
god.
can you be best made dress to a
This was my chair.
to a man who dressed like a female?
I called this meeting because it's very
But
important.
it's also
You guys have been doing a lot. You have been misbehaving. Help me call that lieutenant.
Okay. Lieutenant, Lalo, they call you.
Creative.
Come here, my friend.
Jesus.
My lawyer no tell me say na girl be the new tenant.
Less than 1 plot of land.
What is your opinion about the gate?
Okay. You know I do go out to parties at night, so I'll suggest we lock the gate by 12.
You be like say you dey my mind self. One kwon. Okay. Starting from today, this gate should be open 247.
Hello, which can't talk that one? I dey control some work. No, talk that kind thing. I'm saying, why you shout for me? I need privacy for this compound.
So now you get compound.
So I'm saying you need privacy. No, talk that kind thing.
Not even that one, sir. I have 15 children in this house.
I think I don't need family man for this compound.
I want security in this
Which one is security? You can't 15. Let me tell you something, you want 15 children.
Hello, Lord. Please, something spoiled in my bathroom. I think my tap.
I notice these days tap no dey just well. Let's go, maybe we go.
I go start with Inyansh, end with Inyansh.
No.
I'm planning to install solar for you. 500 AMG.
100 million is a list. Oh, that's from Oteka.
Jesus.
300 million, now you use and the wash clothes.
I will still handle the president chassis.
What is it? I cheer you. Until you don't have 100 million, you playing 100 million is an insult. Can never
I got
be
your
an
number
insult.
from Ibana at Lekki Phase
Seven.
1. I got your number from Ibana at Lekki Phase 1. Yes, there was a banner by the gate. Calling to make inquiry about an office space and the costing that it would involve. I need the space for a legal office. Also, this amount, is it for outright purchase? Or going to
Layi, the lawyer, want to
Jesus
rent.
Christ. Can you remove legal fees? I will draft the agreement myself. Alright, no problem. I just wanted to make inquiries. I will let you know about any new development. Any new development, I will be sure to be in touch. I'll be sure to contact you on any new development. I just wanted to make inquiries. Let me start you.
The law.
This your office was a little bit difficult to locate.
That's why I have to come outside now.
Thank you very much. I was even trying to locate office girl for myself in this Lekki.
You want to rent office?
Yes, but it's very expensive.
It's Lekki now. What do you expect?
You didn't tell me. Me, I know to charge you 30,000 for incorporation.
The law.
No, that one cannot work.
The law, what do you
This is your certificate of incorporation here.
Oh, let me have it now.
No. You remember how much you pay for this incorporation? 30,000 for incorporation. I swear to God, I cannot cooperate.
The law, but that was the agreement we had now.
Which stupid agreement? Call a lawyer. I'm talking about office that I was pricing everywhere. Lowest office is 30 million that you will pay every year. You want to pay lawyer 30,000.
But we already agreed. We had an agreement.
Mr. Ayo. I'm talking about we should call your
the law.
Lawyer.
I don't understand what you are doing.
Telling me that you want to pay.
What's wrong with this lawyer?
13,000.
He bargained on 30,000 because
Hello?
The law.
you're looking for an expensive.
Yes, I got your number from Ibana.
Can you imagine?
It's very difficult for you to
I'm
get
looking to make
an office in Lekki. They are telling you it's very expensive. That's the reason why you're going to increase the price of what we already bargained before. This is what I would never do. Allow women to be eating or allow a girl to be eating and I will be drinking water watching at eating. I can't do that at all. Some guys are like this, so they'll just be watching their woman eat while they'll be drinking water. Look at it. And at the end of the day, they won't even see the pants.
That's good.
But in the case of Rukky, I think something happened.
Pinky,
Daddy,
who is this boy?
he's my friend.
My papa that. Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Young man, keep that hand there. What are you doing with my daughter roaming around the streets of Lagos?
Of Lagos?
Pinky,
Daddy.
will you get into the car? Let me take you home.
Where you go now? Why you behave like that? Stay one place now.
Yeah, let me first now. Let me first.
And if you say wait you
what's your problem?
Like that, you sure?
Yeah? Young man, what's your problem?
You should not be go like that now. Get where they come from now. Sure?
The father had to come down from
Say
the
they come
car.
now. Now we planned before. Why they behave like that now? Sure?
Do you want me to get you arrested?
Ah.
I should to leave my daughter to get into the car so I
I
can
go
take
leave
her
her now. Don't get me. You didn't
Are we sure this is not plan work?
I be also where we dey come for just now 13 to 9 she chop. So you know they tell your
Give me
papa
the money and let her go.
Sure, you got the customer you enter motor, you walk out you enter the motor like that.
Pinky, sure. 13 too. Pinky, I know that barely even finish a slice of bread.
Nah, not be you they tell your partner. Sure.
When you were eating it,
something.
you don't know.
Come on, put your account details here. This should be the last time I'm seeing you with this kind of hoodlum.
Chairman, you never reach this up today. Every time they tell you so, you have money make your kid go. What's this your money?
Will you get into the car? Let me leave this place immediately.
That's why they got the ring now. How they play some more.
They collected his actually Rukky is stupid. Let's see this one from
Lion, see better market for front. Oh boy, this is 10.5 million. Pilot, pull up.
Pull up. Crazy Nation, wake up and see your back.
What did happen? What is supposed to film for back?
They are following him.
Mata.
Hey, they see they follow me.
Wait.
Emeka, move.
Flow. They follow me. Slow down. What happened? Lion. Oh, this guy touches our head, though. Get away!
Come to way back for now. And he collected the car key. Okay. You see, it is very difficult.
Now the 2 plus.
Yes,
from that pole where we start from
now.
Yes.
Somehow.
Your land. Hey, my brother, this land there for sight. Now. I am paying immediately. Yes. How much you talk say it be 7 million. 7 million? Yes. We agreed on 2 million. As they carry me come, no be 2 million. Oh, God, this land there for sight now. Why they talk like that? I have no issue. The papers before I pay. Papers of the land. You don't need papers for this land. This
How
land
can you
my
say
papa
that?
get. So immediately my papa don't proof.
How can you say I don't need papers for land?
Nobody will disturb you. So far you just pay to me. Nobody will disturb you. Yes, to you. Yes. Okay, you inherit them from your papa. You be first son. Yes. I know no issue. And I know even get brother. Now here is sweet too. I swear. Put them. Okay, no concern you. 6 million. 7 million. Oh, 7 million. Cents. I don't see the alert. Okay. I use the money go buy land from Fuse Real Estate. What do you talk? I say make I use the money buy land from Fuse Real Estate. Fuse Real Estate? You don't know them? No. When it comes to buying of land, you see better land we get C of O. When it comes to buying property, when it comes to buying apartment,
you sold land for me. And I sent you the money and you taking the money to buy land for another place. Meaning there's problem in this land of yours.
And the land they big go.
I swear.
He big buy this one where I sell for you.
This man! As I buy from you, nothing they happen.
Nothing they happen, yes. My brother.
Who goes those men for that land? Who be that?
Now landlord though.
Landlord for which land?
This land where I sell for you.
I think I like it.
Who I can be?
You sell for the landlord.
I go sell land, give to landlord. You follow for the landlord?
For you to the direct land with senior man. Agba!
So what you talk? I say who goes on?
Jesus!
The landowner this blood for this land there.
Guy. Nah, my brother. No grip for that man, no. Now 7 million you pay me. See, you get one new cut people will just open for that area. I go carry you go there with a bag. Calm down. Calm down.
If I were him, if I give that guy a big blow, he would vomit my 7 million. Then you say that you have people that will ban me. Now you're instructing me to go and fight for land that I bought from you.
Jesus. You don't get work. This school evening, when you supposed to for kitchen, you don't hear the tweet for the talk. Sorry for your matter.
You don't even know what is going on in this new generation. You're just local.
Look at this new generation abomination. Jesus!
Jesus.
Oh, but that baby and big that. You say, you liars.
You two liars. Are you mad?
Oh, my, I swear that baby has big that.
Go back.
Steve, I know what play. Why you got the hold my hand now? Steve!
Why are you for me?
So this apartment, just feel comfortable.
You fucked up for selling.
That's okay.
Okay.
Alright, just give
correct
me some time.
aboki.
I will to press for you.
Okay.
Feel comfortable.
Feel comfortable.
The best people,
You go tell aboki make you correct.
Comfortable. Feel at home.
Just pray.
Yeah.
Psycho, I want to explode.
You, get me juice. You, get me rice and stew with turkey.
With
now.
turkey.
Just pray.
Correct aboki is actually doing crazy things here.
So the baby.
That's very good. Now I want you to enter inside this kitchen. Cook me 25 indomie.
Jesus.
2 slices of Jupiter cake with 13 turkey and 12 chicken pepper soup. No. If not, I will sack you from this house. Now go.
It is in a play.
So because I asked you to feel at home, I can make you say message anyhow.
Oga, this is my house, so now your house.
Something is wrong with you. In fact, you start following this house right now. Yeah? Because I asked you to feel at home.
Because they ask you to feel comfortable. You already. You skit otherwise, man. You already seen the house Are there people like this, honestly? Are there people still like this? Are there still people like this? Just forget about everything and automatically change the house of yours. I've never seen that. I think this is very
Wizzo, you guys wear your face now.
Ma wear the feet.
Wear your face.
Yeah, no, ma wear the feet. You did?
Yeah, you did.
You did?
You did now. You did.
Okay.
Put your trouser now.
No, I be BG.
What's it BG now?
I'm a bad guy now. I be BG. Guess who?
No, well, I'm more they go now.
Now the CM side with that.
Which one we see him again?
No, my chairman. I dey see Brabos.
You've not seen anything.
Now 2070 Brabox.
Don't be lying, we get Brabos.
No, that's how they go. Now the other compound.
Simple.
Which one?
The other compound.
Like only Van day. That one not be CM now. Me, no fit go press your house. Say you get Colivan for the youths. Me they go press the pack Colivan for us.
Forget the Colivan. Now low key, the man dey low key. He go show you love. Believe me now. Let me carry you corner.
Believe.
Believe me.
Believe.
Yeah.
Believe.
Tell you say he go show you love.
Wait. Which time say he show me love? Pepper say one fair go every year. They smell soup. You tell me say another. I tell you say no go that more no go that. They smell soup. I agree to bros. Not be you that one. Yes, that one. So not be you that one with the swallow spit. I agree to bros. They cook soup for UK. You never say they cook soup for UK. You tell me all the sites is. I agree to bros. They cook soup for UK.
Why you talk like this now? How much money you give you so?
Coins? They give us the coins for you. For Nigeria, they'll give you this thing. I can't use. They give me coins. For chamas, they give us the coins. It's easy. Me even to go club today for this thing. As BG as I call the stone people out. All the stone people coins for.
Oh God, Nigeria have not seen this one.
Oh yeah, wait. I'll carry you go another of my chairman side.
Oh wait.
Another of my chairman side.
Mo go now.
Hey, mo go. Yeah.
Please, I'm hungry. Please, fast.
Women.
Babe, I'm not sure if I will make it.
Okay, just calm down. We'll still get there, yeah?
When you think she's hungry, like
Jesus! Just calm down. We'll still get there.
When you think she's hungry like crazy, can even eat anything.
What's going on here?
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
I'm full.
Some people are actually like that. They're actually like that.
Jesus.
This is no longer a baby, oh. Meow for your life. It's no longer a baby.
My G!
My guy.
How far now?
I did. Longest time.
But from my end, I did perceive your food.
Yeah, no, just one small Indomie.
Comes to your house.
Indomie.
Because of
you go chop.
Why not?
Okay. I'll make a take him. And they come, my guy.
Chemo. Somebody call me. Don't say it this time.
I remember Mbati, Ebbing Pami, breakfast, lunch, and dinner with drink Gary. Now they want to snap pictures, I live flashy. You gonna stop me, huh? It won't Belutani. Impossible, every day is a celebration. This one.
Is it that?
Food was too powerful, man.
You doing?
Oma, boss. God go bless you.
Sorry.
Make I reach as I beg. I won't sleep. Shema. Your door not the open, no.
Now why your legs supposed open? Don't be I give noodles now. You don't know how much we noodles. You don't say country hard.
Because of noodles. Open door for me now. I don't tell you thank you.
My friend, will you go upstairs, go like that for bed, wait for me.
Who of that? Who they touch me?
You think it's easy like that?
You even shout someone you fight and beat. Is it not
I've
only
done
because of
everything
you
possible, but your mom is not responding to treatment. She can't even move.
Doctor, what are we going to do now?
We need to fly her abroad, and it's going to cost $50,000.
I don't understand. To treat old people don't they cost like that?
If you don't do that, she might die.
You just need her to move and respond.
There is a way to wake an African mother.
Mommy, I see condom for Motunde room. Mommy, your neighbor Mama Tau, I saw just buy a new Benz.
I knew it! That tire! He's yahoo!
At least you can respond and move.
Oh my God, at least you have responded.
Respect yourself, my brother. Off the engine. Direct your house to this side.
SK.
Alright.
When did you become a policeman?
Alright.
When did SK become a policeman this time around now?
God have
the
mercy
police
upon
people
us.
catch him now with crime.
Yeah, how about this?
It's even white money, the big Nigeria guy.
Man! What?
How you get the car? Bring the paper for me. You don't waste my time. Be fast with the paper. If I say bring paper, you be fast with the paper. I cannot hit my motor like that. What do you worry? No problem. Bring the paper for me fast. Wanna park for that side? Everything there. Just take them. Everything we want there, sir. Come down. Can't do it. Come down fast. Can't do it. Off the engine. Up with engine. Can't do it. You go come down from the vehicle. I mean, you know what? Come down from the vehicle.
What's going on
here? I don't look well. And they pass this road on a reg. Yes. On a reg, and they pass them. And they give you some kind things, some otamia things whenever I pass here. Those days are gone. Okay. Those days are gone. Hey God, let me for the correct government. Calm down. Can't do it. You the proof stubborn for me. What did they worry you? You the proof stubborn for me. So the time they give you this time, you don't believe it? Now I won't show you be.
What else in 1 minute? Calm down.
Drive the motor go station. I go drive my motor go station. Based on who you be. Who you talk to? Huh? Wait. Yeah? Oh!
What's it got into this? SK Record TV. What did they worry you? Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you laugh out hard like it. Actually interesting. I know you enjoyed it. Please don't just watch and go. Kindly subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also don't forget to share it to all your social media platforms. Sharing it, liking it will make YouTube, understand that there are a lot of people having interest on my video, and for that reason they will start promoting it, recommending it to wider audience. So guys, let's quickly dive into today's topic of this comedy. So what is the favorite moment in this comedy? There are a lot of favorite moments, and I won't lie. SK and White Money could have done better. They could have done better. I think at least now this comedy is they tried, honestly, they tried, but they could have done better. That's what I have to say. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. They could have done better, honestly. I was actually looking for a place to laugh, but I couldn't get that place, honestly. But I laughed, but not as I was expecting to laugh, So what is your favorite moment? Let's quickly go. And as for that nasty blaq part, I really want to, emphasize on that part. don't deliberate on it. I really want to focus on that. Yes, I think we'll be talking about that comedy for the rest of the time we have. Yeah. So, first of all, it consists of Nasty Blaq, a woman, Nasty Blaq father, which is Eze the Entertainment, the man that actually acted the father of Nasty Blaq. You know, he was actually a struggling man, played a role of a struggling man who was trying to actually feed his family, who never wants his family to feel sad, who never want to see his family cry, who never want to see anything bad happening to his family. This is a hardworking man I'm talking about. So he went home, you know, he has not even finished working, he just went home to see how they are doing at home and discover his son was about to leave and go to school. While the mother asks him that there is no money for food, and the son also asks him that there is nothing like, you know, school fees, there is no money for textbook and all that, and you know school things now. So this man actually gave them everything. And even Nasty Blaq asked him, what about the 15 naira on your hand? Is it going to be enough? And the man actually said yes. He just pretended as if everything's going to be fine, everything was all right. He even, you know, make them feel that this 15 naira will do a lot of things. Like the 15 naira will get him a lot of things. So in order for Nasty Blaq, his son, to feel relief, to feel happy, not to start, you know, focusing, thinking about how he's going to feed, because he has actually packed all the money to him. But went to work after that, and Nasty Blaq was coming from school and saw the mother with another Boboski. And he was so shocked and like, oh! And they wrote something. What would you do? Would you tell your mom? I mean, would you tell your father what you saw? And if you say you won't tell your father, how are you going to handle this? What are you going to do to your mother, and how are you going to handle this? Let me see your comment. If you watch this video to this extent, it will be better for you to comment. Let other people see how you're going to react if you were in Nasty Blaq's shoe. As for me, I'll first of all say mine. You know, since I'm still going to school, since I'm still a student who needs to be taken good care of, you know, during the time of school and other things, I think I won't say anything. I won't tell my dad. I won't tell my dad. Do you know why? If I choose to tell my dad what I saw, I think I will be an obstacle to their marriage. Like, it's not going to like end well. There is every tendency that the marriage is going to end. And when the marriage ends, when your father, you know, chase your mother out of the house, like, think of it. It will actually affect your studies, and it will actually affect your growth. Like, you know, you're still a baby, you're still a little boy who's going to school, need care. It's going to affect you, you know, academically and otherwise. You see? So I will just wait until I grow up. Then I know what to tell my mom. I know what to tell my mom. But I know from there, I think Nasty Blaq or I will no longer be happy with my mom. I will never be happy with my mom. If I were in his shoe, I will never. But I won't say anything. I will just keep mute as if nothing happened. That's what I would do. Because if I say anything, the man is spoiled, I mean go suffer him. Nobody to take care of you again. You at least just wait and grow. When you grow, you know what to do. That is my own opinion. So let's see your own opinion. No, you must give your own opinion. Let me see the comments popping. I think that is a very interesting one from Nasty Blaq. It is not just a comedy. In fact, was it a comedy? That is not a comedy. It isn't a comedy, because I really did not see any place that is funny, but very interesting, and actually, you know, trying to seek opinions from his audience. Nasty Blaq was actually trying to seek opinions from his audience, and I think I actually like the comedy, because as he is seeking opinion from his audience, I'm also seeking opinions from my own audience. Which are you guys? Wizzy, Callmiwhizzy. I think I love what Wizzy act. It's actually very hilarious and interesting one from Wizzy there. You know, they give you money and use all the money to cook. Cook with all the money and not knowing that the woman you're going to give the food is the love of your oga's life. What would you do if you see the oga like that? I won't say anything. Oh. I won't say anything. If I decided to spill out everything, I think the girl would deny everything and the girl would say, I don't know you. You're trying. What are you? The girl would just like deny everything, that she doesn't know Wizzy, that she cooked the food herself at home. And the oga would believe the girl because the girl is his girlfriend. He would believe her and we sack Wizzy for trying to spoil his mood he's having with his girlfriend. You see, who will lose? Wizzy will lose. So if I were Wizzy, I will get my money back. Like, I will let her go to that girl and tell her everything, that, see, I used all my money to cook for you. I'm a salary and I'm just houseboy to your man. Please give me back my money. I never knew you have someone in mind that you love. Please give me back my money. I'm sorry, please. Just beg her. And I think women, you know, some of them have soft hearts. She will actually laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh. Say, now you know I'm not your type. Take your money, Joe. Go. That's what she will do, actually, honestly. The battle here is for you to get back to 15K because you've already lost everything. If you fail to go get your 15K, if you want to use violence to settle it, you will be sacked. I swear. So guys, I know you enjoyed this one. Let me see your comment coming in. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy. And I forgot something. Funny Bros actually did well. Funny Bros is a crazy guy as usual. I love his comedy. Let me see your opinion. We're going to call it a day. Without further ado, we're going to see you guys on our next comedy. Have a wonderful time and subscribe and hope for the next and the best.